Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another scenery kit, this time being the Metcalfe Coaching In, which is the product code of PN128, and it's a rather nice looking, well first of all it's a very small box, but it's a rather nice looking piece of kit really. It's, let me move that back. It's got basically a pub there and some in-buildings. It's, yeah, it looks rather cozy in my opinion, but yeah, let's get to work on working out where all the pieces are. So we have 4 main sheets, the glazing sheet and the ridge tiles, and also the information booklet. The information booklet is actually, I don't want to say it's fairly dense, but it is quite detailed. So it's basically building a page here. We've got 1 building there, 2 building there, building 3 continuing off to here, sticking them all together, then doing all the extra little details, and another little building on the back here. And on the very last page, we got the curtains and also chimney pots, and also extra little details down here. But first of all, let's have a look at all the sheets. So this is sheet A1, which has the first building on it. So here we are, very nice smooth white walls, and also some building D parts as well, and also half the roofs. Sheet A2 has buildings C and B, which are I think that's the pub or something like that. Looks like the pub. Sheet B has the support walls and also the base floor. So yeah, these look like just some bigger, stronger supports, just to make it a bit more rigid in places. Then we have, let me have a look here, sheet C, which has some laser cut parts, and basically it looks like this is where you glue all your windows to, especially some with bits which fall out. I can go in the recycle bin. There we go. And then we have the last 2 sheets, which is the glazing for all the glass, and also the ridge tiles. So that's all the bits there. And the tools which you'll need is, first of all, you definitely do need a cutting tool. I've got a box cutting knife. Scalpel will also work, so that'll go there. You definitely need glue, so I've got my UHU glue here, and also got some super glue just in case I need it. And just to help cut out the glazing and that lot, I've got some scissors, which are always useful. I've got also, just not to forget, I've got a cutting mat, just so I don't make more cuts into the table. I've also got some tweezers for them small delicate pieces. And I've got a ruler, which will help bend things and also just help with cutting certain things. And I have got a number of these little paper clippy things, so they're quite useful as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. I expect it to take about... Doesn't take too long, 3 hours max, but I normally tend to do these in about 2 hours because I tend to throw them around everywhere and stick it all together. But yeah, it shouldn't take me too long. But it is getting late, so I'll probably do half of it today and then the other half tomorrow. So yes. But yeah, it's a nice looking kit, and yeah, I do look forward to finishing off. So I can show you what it all looks like when it's all done. So yeah, I'm going to stop going on about it and get to work. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are. I've finished Metcalfe coaching in. And it's turned out rather nice. There were a few bits which I didn't quite do as neat and tidy. One bit coming up here. There's a little gap here. And there's also a couple of gaps near the chimneys, which you may need to be careful of when putting it all together yourself. And also I did forget all the curtains. But yeah, it still turned out mostly alright. I've still got bits of glue to clean up around here. But yeah, still a nice kit. It's not too difficult. It's just making sure that the roof lines up neatly. Because like I said, there's a gap here which is a bit annoying. You may be able to cover it up with a bit of foliage. Call it moss, not moss. Moss. I don't know why I say moss, but never mind. But yeah, it's turned out rather nice. I did give it a more generic little pub sign. One thing which you do need to be a bit careful of is these parts of the roof where it's on the outside of the chimneys. Yeah, that's quite thin and it's very easy to break. I have held them together with putting glue underneath them and put the roof, roof tiles here. I've put them on top as well just to make sure it stays all together, and it seems to be holding. But yeah, it's turned out mostly alright. I'm quite happy with it. And now I'll be going to into my collection of things to give away. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. It's just the roof which was the most fiddly bit. But that's the only bit which I really had an issue with, really. Everything else just went together quite nicely. This was a bit fiddly, the porch here. That bit and the roof. But otherwise, yeah, most of it just went together quite nicely. So, yeah, I'm happy with it. And I'm going to have a bit of a break now. But yeah, do let me know what you think of the Metcalfe Coaching Inn. Do you have your own one? Have you built it better than I have? But yeah, that menu looks quite nice as well. And there's a big flat side here. We can either put more buildings on or put some advertisements on, and the same on this one, because they often have advertisement on as well. One thing which could have added it to it is a little pub sign, because they often had little signs. Probably one there or one over here. Ooh, make sure you can see one over here or one here, something like that. But yeah, do let me know what you think of the Metcalfe Coaching Inn. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Either way, it's now going to be given away to somebody else if they want it. Often in a giveaway. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it from me. So again, I hope you all take care. And I think that's a GWI engine. Most likely. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. But yeah, take care now. Bye bye.